Well, got the trailer hooked up. I'm gonna bring this one to Colorado Springs, and then I'm gonna pick up a loaded one, and then that goes to EDC in Las Vegas. First official day with SHOMOTION. Let's go, baby. Good old traffic. Same old crap, just another day. Take the south route just so I don't have to deal with weather, but let's go. Mr. Daryl here, and yeah, we just so happened to run into each other. He's getting on the, highway same time I was, and yeah, so we cruised for a little bit.
Yeah, man, we were fixing to kick it through the woods, dude.
Oh yeah, no shit.
Yeah, we weren't gonna beat the main path, but we saw you, so we were like,
let's go.
Let's hammer down.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. So yeah, no, we got some sweet rolling shots, and yeah, they look good together.
They do look good together, man.
So you want to tell me a little bit about the rig?
Man, it's old 91 Kenworth, dude.
Okay.
I've had it for, man, a long time. Since about, I think, 18 years, 17 years, something like that. Man, yeah, me and him just got done redoing it about 2.5 years ago.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, it used to be black and silver.
It looks really good. I like it. Very clean.
It's a 1958 Volkswagen Boudreaux Burgundy on the frame.
Okay.
And the white is a 63 Volkswagen. I think it's like L87 pearl white.
Oh shit.
I'm a hot rod Volkswagen bike dude. So,
oh nice.
Yeah, we got
right on.
Old.
All right. Here's the inside. Oh yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
Nice and cozy in there.
Oh yeah. Not good because I have very little fuel, and I can run out at any time, so not really sure
sure what to do here, but we'll get her figured out. Well, fourth truck stop of stopping. Finally got fuel. Somehow my car just started working. And yeah. So that's good. So I put a little bit of fuel in since I wasn't going to be able to make it to the pilot. It got nasty pretty quick. And I hope it's quick though. Haven't checked yet, but yeah, I couldn't get out. Bumper bottomed out there, and even tried from the side, but hopefully she's still good. Oh great, hopefully we can get past Flagstaff. Oh, she's really snowing now. Wow, these are some thick snowflakes, that's for sure. Alright, it's Friday morning. Just made it past the Arizona state line and slept for a few hours, and now I am gonna finish it out to Las Vegas. And like I said before, first I'm gonna get my truck and trailer washed, and then after that I'm gonna go drop the trailer that I have at the Speedway for the EDC stuff that's going on, and then after that, I'm gonna be going to the stadium for loading the load out.